Alrighty, we have a pickup today of some tree debris there. And once again, this was another damage from the wind we had last week. All that. All we're gonna do is cut it up, load it up. Yeah, damaged fence. And come from somewhere up there. There's the biggest piece probably right there. About 8 inches. Cut them into some logs. We will be on up out of here. Not too shabby. Normal job. All right. We just finished up here. All the trees and debris over there. Branches all cut up and gone. Back here, we got the stuff that was back there. All right, everything here cut all the way up to the fence. They said that fence is not theirs, it's the people in the back, so they just wanted it cut to where it's not on their property. All right, everything's good, cleaned up and gone. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Once again, loaded down the junk removal. Gone.